Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines. Hey, I'm Doug, president of Proformance Unlimited. I am your engine builder. If you're interested in any one of our builds, I'd be happy to put it together for you. We build some badass engines here. This happens to be the 502 big block. You've been seeing it go together for the last few weeks. Again, we're always backed up. We got to get each one on a dyno as we can get them on. This is again a 600 horsepower package, and it made 625, and it made 660 foot-pounds of torque. That's a beautiful beast going to go into a 53 Chevy Truck. So again, if you're interested in any one of our builds, give us a call. We'll be happy to put you in line and get you together. Peace. All right, Gary, I got your big block on the dyno here. Going to go into your 53 Chevy Truck. It runs fantastic. We're going to do a last pull on this bad boy. And here we go. See where it goes. We already exceeded your horsepower. We're at 610 on the second run. We're going to pull it to 58. We ran this first one to 54.